Arrival is revolutionizing electric vehicles, making them at cost parity or cheaper than traditional electric vehicles. To do this, we've actually been founded in 2015. We've been in stealth. We have over 800 employees from a really diverse blend, mix of software engineers and traditional automotive from a variety of different industries. And our product is actually best in class on cargo, payload, and range.
So our product we've been working on is a large commercial van. One of the reasons we've chosen that segment is commercial vehicles make up somewhere between 20 and 25% of the total vehicle miles traveled, depending on the country. And so we think it's a very appropriate and a great segment to apply electric vehicles and electric vehicle technology to. So what Arrival has done, we've stepped back. We've started completely with a clean sheet of paper and applied all the most recent technologies to how do you get to an economical electric van that, as Avinash said, costs the same or less as a petrol-based vehicle. We want to make an electric vehicle that is a no-brainer for fleet customers to buy.
I think on top of that, it allows us to also then add a whole bunch of innovation that legacy can actually stop. How we can upgrade the vehicle over its lifetime, how we can make them in microfactories, which are really small footprint factories that we can put in the areas of demand. Compare that to the legacy, which is one large central factory that has to make hundreds of thousands of units to be profitable. We can then make those vehicles bespoke. We can reduce the amount of time that it takes to make a vehicle from 5 years down to only a year or few. And we can work directly with our customers to actually bespoke the vehicle to create purpose-built vehicles. On top of that, we have a modular architecture that enables the vehicle to be upgraded over time. So you don't just buy an Arrival vehicle today, you actually stay with us over the life of the vehicle and we upgrade it as new technologies come along.
With commercial customers, they know exactly what range they need to drive their routes, as opposed to a retail customer who's trying to imagine all the trips they may or may not take during the course of a year. And the vehicles come to a central depot, which makes the whole infrastructure question easier. We're going into a market segment that's growing very quickly. Not only is it growing quickly, but replacing those high utilization vehicles has huge benefits for cities and the environment. We will start with commercial vans. I think we'll look over time at other types of commercial electric vehicles as well.
With the cost leadership and the product leadership, the upgradability, good for the environment, it's good for our customers with half the operational cost, but it's a no-brainer to buy these vehicles. And then on top of that, being upgradable over the lifetime, and our microfactories, and the fact that we're vertically integrated, building all the electromechanical systems, it enables us to rapidly create new variants, new products, in a matter of 12 months. So what you'll see is once Arrival launches, and what's exciting, I think, for both of us and Arrival as a whole, is how we will have multiple vehicles and basically go through and bring this benefit across multiple segments.